Are you ready for one of the biggest events for all the techies around the globe? The Grand Coding Contest. It's a place for all goodies, gadgets, and prizes worth 10 lakhs. Grab your semicolons and jump into the battlefield and register now.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. I am Rupali Shah, a blockchain developer and your instructor at Newton School. So in this video, we are gonna cover that how you can learn programming in the most faster way. But before moving to this particular topic, I would like to introduce you with Newton School. It is an edtech company that helps you to become a full stack developer. So if you are someone who is aiming to be a full stack developer, then don't forget to check out the link in the description. And the best part about Newton School is that it charges you 0 rupees in the beginning, and it also guarantee you a placement from 5 lakhs to 40 lakhs. So after your placements only, you have to pay for your courses. And the second most important news is that Newton School is gonna conduct a GCC 2022. It is a grand coding context where not only Indian coders but internationally the coders will be coming on the platform. So if you want to test your skills, if you want to win some exciting prizes, some exciting gifts or cash worth up to 10 lakhs, then don't forget to register in the competition. The link is in the description, the first link. Don't forget to check out that link, register yourself. The contest is gonna occur on 31st March 2022 at 9 p.m. So note the date, note the time and register yourself. The registration is free for everyone, and anyone from first year to fourth year could participate in this competition and will also receive the interview opportunities if you perform very well in the particular context. So now let's get started that how you can learn programming in the most easy way and most faster way basically. So let's get started. So the most important thing to be a programmer is to have a knowledge of a particular language, and this particularly means that you should know the basic syntax of a language, and so on and so forth. So in a previous video, we already discussed that which is the perfect language to start with. So you can watch that particular video out, and you can just get an idea that from where you can start or which language will be the perfect one for you. But in this video, we are gonna discuss that how you have to start, and how you have to keep yourself motivated so that you don't quit yourself in this particular arena. So now let's get started and let's have a few points on the screen and few points using which we are gonna see that which is the faster way to be a programmer. So first of all, you need to find out the need of yours. Now if you want to be a developer, a web developer, then your path will be different. If you want to be a software engineer, then your path would be different. If you want to be an Android engineer, then your path would be different. So suppose we are gonna do this particular thing with an example so that it becomes more and more clear to you guys, and you guys could connect with then your own particular arena. So suppose I want to be a web developer. Now the first thing I need to learn is CSS, HTML and JavaScript. These three things are very necessary to become a web developer. Okay, everyone has knowledge, someone has more knowledge, someone has less knowledge, but these three things are needed. Now what we need to do is we don't need to go deep into these three things. We just need to learn a little bit about these three things: HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and then we need to take a project and work upon it. Now this is known as project building and learning while building something. This is necessary because this not only just help you to revise your concepts which we have already learned, but also give you a confidence, because when you build something you can see something and then you have a confidence in yourself that you know this particular thing. So a basic syntax of HTML, a basic style concepts of CSS, and a basic knowledge of JavaScript will be enough to start a small project. Then you again have to come to the languages, you again have to learn something more in it. Like suppose you just learn a basic concept of JavaScript, now you start learning the set timeout function or set interval function and start building projects according to your learning. This time a high level project will be built, not that basic one which we have built in our previous learning phase. This time we learn a little bit more and we build little bit more complex project. Now third time we will be going more deeply into these three things, or we will be going deeply into the libraries and modules which it has to provide us, and then we will be building more complex project. And this way your journey will be going smooth. You will be learning some sort of things, then you will be having a project on that particular learning, then you will start learning again and like some more complex concepts, and you will be start building more complex project according to your learnings. So this way you will be keeping yourself motivated, you will be seeing the results, and you will be also having some projects in your hand to showcase whenever you are going to apply to a job or apply to a company. And this way you will be not just going on the tutorial hill, because you will be gonna focus on building stuff. And whenever you will be like getting yourself stuck anywhere, or you will be not so much comfortable with any topic or concept, then only you can go to the tutorial, watch the videos and get yourself clear that what this actually does for you, or what is the main purpose of this particular point. So this was how you can start your journey in development and becoming a programmer, and also the fastest way to become a programmer. Now the most important thing in this whole process is that don't try to like memorize things, or don't try to take notes, because that is of no use. You need practice, and practice will only come when you start building projects. So always focus on building projects, always focus on, like, programming is a field where you learn by doing stuff, not by reading and memorizing stuff. So your main focus should be building projects and building more and more complex projects, so that your learning to that particular technology goes on in depth. So if you want in depth learning, then the most important thing is to create the complex projects. But you can only go to the complex projects once you are clear with the basic knowledge of that particular technology. Now this point doesn't just go with web development, it also goes with blockchain development, it also goes with Android development, it also goes with software engineer. It's your goal what you want to become. It also goes with data science. Like, it's your choice what you want to be, but in every arena the most important thing is to focus on the projects, because projects are gonna be your lifeline. The projects are gonna be your a way to learn things faster by doing things. It's not like memorizing. Programming is not an arena where you memorize things and yeah, you are good to go. No, it doesn't work like this. The most important thing is to understand things, and the most important thing is to implement those things on the right place. And this skill is gonna come to you when you start practicing, when you start making projects. So I hope this video will help you to become a programmer very faster, very sooner. And yeah, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to get yourself registered in GCC 2022, which is gonna come up with exciting prizes and exciting opportunities for you all coders and programmers. So stay tuned with us, and don't forget to register yourself by clicking in the first link in the description. Thank you for watching.